Technology continues to be a critical force for a change in the world. Technology breakthroughs give enterprises more possibilities to lift their productivity and invent offerings. And while it remains difficult to forecast how technology trends will play out, business leaders can plan ahead better by watching the development of new technologies, anticipating how companies could utilize them, and understanding the factors that impact innovation and adoption. To that end, we have worked with our IT experts to identify and interpret 12 of the most significant technology trends unfolding today in this particular video. So hi guys, this is Arvind from MindMajix, and in this particular video today, we are going to discuss the top 12 technological trends for the year 2023. So the first point that we're going to discuss here is that of artificial intelligence or AI. The hype for AI has been around us for a while. If you're someone who works with technology, you may not relish how ubiquitous AI has become. The AI has already shown its superiority in navigation apps, smartphones, and more to carry out creative and mundane tasks. This AI hype isn't going to end anytime soon. The growing ecosystem of low code or no code AI systems and AI as a service platforms will make it more accessible. Another exciting field to watch out for in the AI is synthetic content. It includes harnessing the AI's creative power to generate new images, sounds, or data that never existed before. In the year 2023, we can expect to witness the growth of the productive form of AI across business and entertainment. According to Precedence Research, the global AI market is expected to hit 1597.1 US dollars by 2030. With AI spreading its usage in the various fields, we can expect new jobs in programming, development, testing, and much more. On the other hand, AI also offers handsome salaries ranging from 115,000 US dollars for the entry level positions to $2,500,000 for experienced professionals, and this makes it top technology trend that you must check out for in the year 2023. Top tech giants like Facebook, Google, etc. are putting AI in front of everything. This indicates the future belongs to this technology and there will be a dire need for talented professionals in this field. There are many different types of positions with AI, and these includes job titles such as AI engineer, AI research scientist, machine learning engineer, AI architect, and so on. The next point that we're going to discuss is that of metaverse. So at this stage, metaverse can be described as a more digital world. The experience of immersive online environments and next level user experiences are expected to witness a massive growth in the next 5 years. In simple words, the word metaverse can be described as a profoundly immersive 3D virtual world experience obtained using a combination of AR, VR, and MR technologies. By creating a virtual world where users may play games, interact socially, conduct business, and much more. The metaverse platform enhances the experience of the internet. Mark Zuckerberg believes the growth of this trend might be due to the virtual and augmented reality, which is VR or AR. All sizes of organization in industries from banking to fashion have jumped on board to build metaverse-like experiences. In the year 2023, the metaverse has the potential to help unlock access to new, creative, social, and economic opportunities. Tech giant Facebook announced the creation of 10,000 new highly skilled positions for the metaverse in the next 5 years. So this means better opportunities for talented metaverse engineers, marketers, architects, and visionaries. The next point that we're going to discuss here is that of blockchain. In the present time, blockchain technology is in demand. The popularity of this technology has grown, and many large organizations are moving in that direction. As a result, the field of blockchain technology requires a large number of developers. The benefits of blockchain include the network's decentralization, security, and the privacy of data. Blockchain applications go well beyond cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. According to Gartner, blockchain's value will increase quickly and it might hit 176 billion US dollars by 2025 and 3.1 trillion dollars by 2030. Whether startups or large organizations, everyone is looking to tap into blockchain market. Companies like Infosys, Capgemini, TCS, Accenture, and others are among the leading recruiters of blockchain developers. If you're interested in making your career out of this popular technology, then this is the right time. To get into this field, you need to have hands-on experience in programming, data structures, and networking. The next point that we're going to discuss is quantum computing. There is currently a global race to create quantum computing at scale. Quantum computing, which uses subatomic particles to develop new ways to process and store data, is expected to make it possible for computers to be a trillion times faster than the fastest regular processors currently available. The risk of quantum computing is that it could render our present encryption techniques ineffective. As a result, any nation that invests heavily in the development of quantum computing will be able to break the encryption employed by other nations, businesses, security systems, and the other organizations. Watch this trend closely in 2023 as countries including the US, UK, China, Russia make significant investments in the development of quantum computer technology. So today's quantum computers are many times faster than conventional computers, and major companies are investing in the innovations of this technology. By the year 2026, it is expected that the global market for quantum computing will generate more than 1,765 billion US dollars in revenue as per markets and markets. The next point that we are going to discuss here is digital immune system. The past several years have witnessed an unparalleled focus on risk in both physical and digital worlds. Cybersecurity concerns are getting more severe as data breaches and other problems get more sophisticated. It's good that methods for avoiding internet scams, spam, and other annoyances are getting increasingly complex. An efficient digital immune system may significantly reduce operational and security concerns through monitoring, automation, and the most recent design innovations. As the value of these tools become more widely recognized in the coming year, anticipate receiving a lot more inquiries regarding the condition of your organization's digital immune system and your efforts to fortify and safeguard it. The next point that we're going to discuss is hyper automation. Hyper automation is one of the trending technologies today. Hyper automation enables the automatic completion of repetitive activities without manual or human input. It uses robotic process automation or RPA, machine learning or ML, and artificial intelligence, that is AI, to alter old and new machinery and processes. An organization can thrive in a more competitive environment by utilizing digital transformation to achieve cost and resource efficiency. Organizations must boost production, reduce expenses, and operate more efficiently to succeed in the current market. You can advance with the help of hyper automation services. Businesses of all sizes, small, medium, and large, can gain a lot from hyper automation. It is unquestionably true that many businesses have started deploying hyper automation technology and enjoying its advantages. According to a Salesforce poll, organizations anticipate having hyper automation on their technological roadmaps by the year 2024. So it is time for you to begin your journey because the practice of hyper automation is rapidly gaining popularity and relevance. The next point that we are going to discuss here is datafication. So today's organizations rely heavily on data, transforming industries like accounting and HR. Datafication is the process of turning all the objects in our life into digital devices that are powered by data. To summarize, datafication transforms manual, labor-intensive procedures into data-driven technologies. So longer than we recall, data will be a part of everything from our cell phones to our industrial equipment, office software, and AI-powered devices. As a result, managing our data securely and safely has turned into a sought-after competence in our industry. If done right, datafication can transform raw data into knowledge. Numerous firms have already benefited from this. As a result, companies now more than ever need to rely on data-driven initiatives to build a qualified staff and a solid corporate culture. The greatest choice is typically to delegate this plan to a partner who is an authority in this area. The next point that we're going to discuss is industry cloud platforms. By utilizing industrial cloud platforms, businesses can improve the agility of their workload management. They can speed up changes to compliance processes, data analysis, and business operations. They mix platforms, software, and infrastructure as a service to maximize adaptability, accelerate time to value, and suit the needs of vertical industrial sectors. According to Gartner, 40% of respondents have already started using industrial cloud platforms. By 2027, this will have sped up over 50% of the organization's key business initiatives. Industry cloud platforms use integrated data fabrics and business specific capabilities to adapt applications to market disruptions quickly. The next point that we're going to discuss is wireless value realization. Next generation wireless will improve connectivity while also assist in process optimization for increased reliability, cheaper costs, lower risks, and more productivity. The shift to digital transformation will be more seamless if several wireless technologies are combined onto single infrastructure and utilized. If the technical foundation for future wireless is more accessible, unified, secure, dependable, and scalable, it will require less funding. The new wireless technology will make it easier for the Internet of Things, that is IoT trend, to collect environmental data. Applications in satellite technology, radar sensing, energy harvesting, location tracking, and other areas are likely to benefit from this. The next point in this discussion is a digitally edible world. So, since we can now change things in the digital world in a way that impacts the physical world, this idea goes beyond merely creating immersive online experiences. As an example, think about the employment of digital twins. The Formula One racing teams built digital twins of the race cars and test them in computer simulation and virtual wind tunnels. They can then 3D print the parts for the actual car after digitally modifying them till they are optimized. We see a comparable ability to change or program materials from the actual world in nanotechnology. By altering their characteristics and compositions at the nanoscale, we may give materials new capabilities such as water repellent clothing and self healing paints, or we can develop whole new material like graphene, which is the world's thinnest and strongest substance. The best example of editable world is the genetic manipulation of living organisms like plants, animals, or people to change the genetic information necessary for their growth and survival. With this technology in 2023, it is possible to create endless possibilities as any characteristic of an inherited living organism can theoretically be changed. It is feasible to create pest and disease resistant crops, immunize kids against illnesses of their parents, and create treatments specifically suited to each patient's genetic profile. The next point that we're going to discuss is the hyperconnected intelligent world. So this trend is one that actually connects all of the others. The data required to build the metaverse, create digital twins, train intelligent machines, and develop new strategies for enabling digital trust is gathered by the interconnected sensors, devices, and infrastructure network. So this is referred to as the IoT, and in 2023, its influence on our lives will remain significant. More focus will be paid to enable advanced and more advantageous machine-to-machine interactions. So these days, we are used to furnishing both our homes and offices with smart technology. But we commonly encounter problems when gadgets can't interact because of diverse platforms and operating systems. In the year 2023, research on developing global standards and communication protocols that gadgets can use to connect with one another will continue. As a result, they will operate more effectively and be able to assist us with large range of duties. Another focus will be on IoT security, which will incorporate tools with AI-assisted prediction skills, and companies investing in IoT will prioritize improvements. And the last point of today's discussion is sustainable tech. Finally, a push towards sustainable tech will be seen in the year 2023. We are all such dependent on technology such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, but where do the components required to create these gadgets come from? Where rare earth resources originate and how we use them will be of greater relevance to the general public. Furthermore, we utilize cloud services like Netflix and Spotify, which are still running in big data centers that consume a lot of electricity. In the year 2023, attempts to increase supply chain transparency will likely to continue as consumers want energy efficient products and services backed by more sustainable technologies. So guys, with this, we have come to the end of this discussion on top technological trends to watch out for in the year 2023. So technology will unavoidably keep advancing at a faster rate. If you want to succeed in your tech career, you need to master new technologies, learn how to deal with constant change, and use it as a competitive advantage. So, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. And if at all you have any queries related to this session, then you can write your queries in the comment section. And my team is here to help you with all your doubts and query resolution. So, guys, thank you so much for being with us. And I wish you all the very best for your upcoming tech journey.